We will see about synchronous system. In the previous video we have seen started study about the computer distributed computing system. In this video we will see about synchronous system. Here is the picture. Here left one is a synchronous system and the right one asynchronous system. In the synchronous system, workflow is firstly workflow start from the starting to end one by one step follow, then the final outcome is we get. In a simple word, let's briefly I will explain asynchronous system. In asynchronous system, every task should be their own time, their own way. They are not dependent each other. And here we can see there are different, every task has performed their own uh, work task differently, not. But here in synchronous system, every task is dependent on each other to complete a task. So let's start let's see more about the synchronous system. Imagine you and your friend are playing a game of the tag in park, but there is no reference blowing a whistle to tell you when to start and stop. Instead, you rely on a signal like tapping each other to communicate. This is a bit like how a synchronous system works. In a asynchronous system, asynchronous system works. In a asynchronous system, no whistle, no suppressor and no whistle, no clock. In the tag game, there is no single whistle or the clock telling you when to run or stop. Similarly, in a asynchronous system, there is no central clock controlling all the action of computers. Each computer device decides when to start or stop its task independently. And the second one is flexible timing. There is a no whistle or no clock, then every computer had a flexible timing. In the tag game, you and your friend can move at your own pace. Likewise, in a synchronous system computer don't need to follow a strict schedule. They can work on their task whenever they are ready. And so this give them the flexible timing to work their to perform their task. No waiting for signals. Instead of waiting for whistle or blow, you and your friend tap each other to signal that you are it. Similarly, in a asynchronous system, computers communicate with each other through messages or signals. They don't need to wait for a global signal. They can start their task based on the message they receive. And fourth one is challenges and freedom. Let's see the challenges and some freedoms on asynchronous system. Just like the tag game, where someone might accidentally tag two people at once. In asynchronous system, coordinating tasks between computers can be trickier, but the advantage is that each computer has a freedom to work independently, which can be useful when dealing with unpredictable situations. So, in simpler terms, the asynchronous system is like a game of tag without a reference or clock. Computers work on their task when they are ready, using messages to communicate with each other instead of waiting for a central signal. It's more flexible but can be a bit more complex to manage than system with a central clock. So it is basically the managing task is a more difficult, complex for the asynchronous system, because here there no any central clock to coordinate this the all systems. So their management is some sort of difficult. So this is the all about asynchronous system. In the next video we will see about synchronous system. So, thank you guys if you are watching my video.
Please like and subscribe.